There's another thing that really has been a journey for us is the website hosting. Initially, way back when we started off with GoDaddy hosting our site,
Mm,
that did not go well because it was a shared server. Um, and then we moved to a dedicated server with GoDaddy, which also did not go well. And I use GoDaddy for a lot of stuff for domain name registration and a lot of other things. And maybe their hosting is better now than it used to be, but I don't get that feeling that's always the case. We moved away from GoDaddy 5 years ago, 6 years ago, something like that, to a hosting environment called WP Engine, which is
okay.
a managed WordPress hosting site. They do just WordPress hosting.
Okay.
They are not cheap, but their support is phenomenal. I have never, and I've been using site hosting platforms for 20 years or so, and their hosting and their support is terrific. And so I would say, as much as it's important to determine a CMS that you want to use, a WordPress or Drupal or whatever, hosting, choosing a good hosting platform is even more important. And I'm not saying WP Engine is the only good one out there. There are other good managed hosting platforms, but you want to get something where if you have an issue, you can just dial somebody up, chat, email, phone call, whatever, and get some support right away. Because um, as you probably have encountered, those issues usually happen at the worst possible time, and you usually need help right away. So I would say hosting is a another one of those critical decisions that you have to make along the way.